Give thanks to him who placed the earth among the waters. His faithful love endures forever. Psalm 136 verses 6. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I trust you're doing so well. Today we'll be frying some delicious crispy snappers. Please stay tuned and let's do this together. So the snappers that we will be using today are the grey snappers. It is also known as mangrove. This is very similar to the red snappers. As a matter of fact, they are in the same family. As you can see, I start off by cleaning it. I'll take off the scales and all the gills and all the intestines that we do not need in the fish, okay? Oh yes family, cleaning this fish is a whole lot of work, so do not hesitate to use your kitchen scissors if you have any, okay? Yes, and also if you go to the stores and you find the ones that has been already cleaned, it's a bonus. Please go for that. It makes work really very easy. So I like to take off the gill cover as well. I know a lot of people also do not mind, but I really do not like to have that. Once you take that out successfully, it makes it very easy for you to take out the brains and the intestines that the fish has. Very easy. Got everything out now, looking amazing. I'm super happy. So right now I'm gonna rinse it off with a bit of water and lime juice just to get rid of that fishy smell, okay? Well, now this fish is looking really pretty, y'all. So it's now time for me to cut them into the pieces that I like. I'm going to go ahead and cut them into 4 pieces each, and yes, we will be ready for the next. I also like to sort of measure it a little bit like this before I start cutting them, because I want to equally cut them, at least attempt to equally cut them into the same sizes, okay? It helps a little bit. So right now everything has been cut, so I'll go ahead and make a little bit of incision here just so that the spices and everything that I'll be used will be well seasoned on the inside as well. Yes, and it's also very easy for you to spot the fish that I work with. I almost always do this anytime I am frying fish, especially with a tail. Right now it is very important to pat the fish dry before you introduce your spices. This helps absorb the seasoning well, and it also plays a very important role in making your fish looks really crunchy on the outside but super moist in the inside. Right now everything is looking really good. It's ready to receive all the seasoning, so I'll start off by adding my ginger and garlic powder, a teaspoon each, and I'll be using my dear sister Tasty and Fresh seasoning. I got this all the way from Ghana. She has lots of varieties, so today we'll be using the all-purpose seasoning, okay? I love her choices of spices. Everything that I love is here. I don't even feel the need to add anything else because everything that I need is here. So big ups Tasty and Fresh, sis. Your spices is amazing. I'll leave her link down below in the description box, so please be sure to patronize her product. It's really amazing. And one thing that I love about her spices is she made room for us to add salt, and trust me, that alone is a big yes for me, because there are spices that you use and it's overwhelmingly salty. This is not like that. alone made me fall absolutely in love with it. Okay, so after seasoning this fish so well, I'll go ahead and get it ready. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 1 hour. One of the secrets that you need to adapt when you want to fry a crowd pleasing fish, okay, not bothering the fish with any form of flour at all. That is absolutely amazing. So while the fish is resting in the fridge, I go ahead to get all my oil and the infusion that I'll be using today are some peppers, garlic, and fresh rosemary. Once the oil starts to heat up, I'll go in with my garlic, 2 cloves, and 3 peppers. I want it to really infuse well, so I'm going to take off the head. It's going to make it extra spicy, which I absolutely love. And the rosemary, the fragrance that comes with it, family, is just amazing. Now everywhere is smelling so nice. If you so wish, you can add some onions, but this is just okay for me for now. Now that the oil is absorbing all those fragrances, I'll go ahead and take my fish out of the fridge, and it's really cold, which is absolutely amazing. You do not want to disturb this fish with any form of flour, okay? So it has infused well, and I do not want it to get burnt. Getting it burned will just ruin everything for you. So I'll go ahead and take everything out of the oil, and I will begin to fry my amazing fish. Smells so good in here. I'll drop them gently one after the other, allowing a bit of space in between, and allow that to also fry gently. So right now we allow it to fry on each side for about 10 minutes, and make sure it does not burn. It's going to ruin everything. Beautiful and smells so great. So you have to be really very gentle when you're turning it to the other side, just to avoid the fish from breaking. But trust me, it's most likely not going to happen, because you allow your fish to be in the fridge and it was cold, and the oil too is very much enough, so it's most likely not going to happen once you follow this simple steps. Okay, it's amazing. This fish is definitely for the kings and queens out here. So fam, if you want to treat yourself the royal way, go for this way of frying your fish, and you are going to absolutely love it. Just look at that. Amazing. So good already. And for the second batch, just because we do not use any form of flour, it's not going to affect the second batch in any way. That is also going to come out perfect and crunchy. Oh my goodness, look at what hubby did to the fish. He just could not wait. The aroma of this fish alone was so tempting, fam. It's so amazing, and I will definitely go for one of the heads, because it's just amazing, crunchy, and so good. Just have a look at that. Oh my gosh. Just have a look at that. We are done. Just look how beautiful this fish is looking, and let me tell you, it tastes absolutely incredibly delicious, and it went really down with our kinky hot yummy gakenke. And that kenke is coming from our meal prep. If you've not watched it, I'm going to link it right here. It was so good. This is how we celebrated our 10,000 subscribers, and I also have the recipe of our shito and the green chili sauce. I will link everything down below in the description box as well. Just have a look at that. So good. I just want to thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers, family. I am so grateful. Thank you for the love and the amazing support. It is great to have you all on board. Thank you so much, family, for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much once again for watching, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video.